Hi everyone. Well, look at this. I'm going to use a Patrick Cameron crown lift, a little hair pad, and this is going to be in my hairstyle. I'm just going to create a succession of knots going down the side of the hair pad. And every time I knot the hair, I put the tails over on the side and in the middle. Here we go, all the way down, just creating these beautiful knots as I go. This is a very simple idea, and I'm going to do the same on the opposite side. There we go, just put those in there, tails up, and repeat that on the opposite side. Then when we get to the sides, all I'm going to do is I'm going to just twist the sides, all the tails that are hanging out there, I'm going to twist those going up, and we'll put that up on the top. Do the same on the left, and then all the pieces that were left in the middle, we're going to crisscross off. For the full tutorial on this hairstyle, just become a member today of my Access Long Hair Members Club.